Hey everyone, it's Liam Mulcahy here with the SAT Initiative, and we're going over some Algebra 1 calculator strategies, and we're going to plug in our x values for f of x. Pretty straightforward, but it's important to put in the calculator just right. Okay, now this is what you call the f of x. This is our example problem. So f of x is equal to x minus 3, the quantity squared, plus 1. And we're going to put this into our calculator. So I'd go ahead and write that function down and pause the video. And when you're done, we can you can see how we put it into the calculator. Alright, so now we're going to turn on our calculator, press on, and let's start typing in the function. Now parentheses are really important here, so just make sure you get your parentheses in right. We put that 6 instead of the x, and then plus 1. There's our answer. Pretty straightforward. Now just make sure that when you do this, you got everything in the right place, and make sure it's written exactly the same, except for instead of an x or y, you're going to have the number. So anyway, it's pretty straightforward, but I hope this was helpful. Anyway, thanks so much for tuning in. You can find more resources on our website at satrva.org. Or if you have any questions, just leave us a comment below the video. Anyway, happy studying, guys.